Breaking the paycheck to paycheck cycle step by step. 2026. Living paycheck to paycheck is not just about low income. It is a financial cycle that traps people even when they start earning more. In 2026, many people feel stuck because every month starts with money and ends with zero savings. The real problem is not the amount of money coming in, but the system or lack of system used to manage it. The good news is this cycle can be broken with the right steps and consistency. Step 1. Understand where your money actually goes. The first step is awareness. Most people think they know their expenses, but when they actually track everything, they are surprised. Small daily spending like food delivery, subscriptions, online shopping, transport, and impulse purchases quietly drain income. Without tracking, money disappears without explanation. When you clearly see where every rupee is going, you automatically start controlling unnecessary expenses. Step 2. Stop lifestyle inflation immediately. One major reason people stay stuck is lifestyle inflation. Every time income increases, expenses increase too. A salary raise becomes a new phone, better clothes, or higher rent. To break the cycle, lifestyle should stay stable even when income grows. Instead of upgrading spending, upgrade savings. This simple shift creates financial breathing space for the first time. Step 3. Build a basic budget system. A budget is not about restriction. It is about direction. Without a budget, money is spent emotionally. With a budget, money is controlled intentionally. A simple structure works best. Allocate money into needs, savings, and essentials first, then decide spending. The key is to give every rupee a purpose before spending it, not after. Step 4. Create a small emergency buffer. One of the biggest reasons people fall back into paycheck dependency is lack of backup money. Even a small emergency fund can break the cycle pressure. Start small. Even saving a little each month builds protection over time. The goal is not perfection, but consistency. Once there's a financial buffer, stress reduces and better decisions become possible. Step 5. Cut high-pressure expenses first. Not all expenses are equal. Some costs silently trap people into monthly pressure. Unnecessary subscriptions, expensive habits, or EMIs that don't add real value. Start by removing or reducing the expenses that give the least value, but take the most money over time. This immediately frees up cash flow and reduces dependency on the next paycheck. Step 6. Start saving before spending. Most people save what is left after spending, but in reality, nothing is usually left. To break the cycle, reverse the process. Even a small fixed percentage of income should be saved first, not last. This builds discipline and slowly creates financial independence over time. Step 7. Increase income slowly but strategically. Cutting expenses alone is not enough. At some point, income must grow. But instead of chasing quick money, focus on building skills or side income that increases long-term earning power. This could be freelancing, online work, business, or upgrading a skill that increases salary potential. The goal is not fast money, but stable income growth. Step 8. Repeat the system consistently. Breaking the paycheck to paycheck cycle does not happen in 1 month. It happens through repetition. When tracking, budgeting, saving, and controlled spending become habits, financial stability starts building automatically. The real shift happens when money is no longer reactive but planned in advance every month. Final reality. Most people stay stuck not because they earn too little, but because they never build a system to manage what they earn. One structure replaces chaos. Even average income can become stable and enough. Financial freedom starts the moment you stop living from one paycheck to the next and start giving your money direction. Like and subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more practical personal finance content that helps you build real financial control and long-term stability.